Hello learners, welcome to Commerce Diction. Myself Riya Das. Today I am going to discuss about the difference between accounting and accountancy. So before I begin, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of all the videos. Okay, so now let's begin. First point is accounting is a process of maintaining the record of financial transactions by complying with all the standards, principles and concepts. Now accounting is a process. It means it involves a series of steps such as first identifying the transactions, then recording it in the journal, then classifying it in the respective accounts and then summarizing them in the financial statement. Now these series of steps have to follow certain standard principles and concepts which are the rules of accounting. Without following the rules, the financial statement will differ from one company to another company. So every company in India have to follow these standards, principles and concepts which are framed by the accounting bodies of India. Okay. While accountancy is a systematic body of knowledge that prescribes accounting principles, conventions and techniques which are to be followed during the accounting process. Now, accountancy is a systematic body of knowledge. It means it includes certain principles, conventions. Conventions means the traditions or we can say the customs or practice which we have to follow while preparing the accounting. Okay. Now, this accountancy includes all the principles or we can say the rules, regulations, standards which we have to follow while preparing the accounting or we can say while preparing the financial statement. Okay. Now, second point is nature of work is performed by the accountant. In accounting, the accountant performs the work. While in accountancy, it is a profession which is pursued or opted by the accountant. We can say for accountancy we must have the professional qualification by the accountant which must be a CA or a CS. Third point, while accounting deals with practical part, what we practice is accounting. It means accounting deals with practical part means operational part of the accounting or we can say the operational part of the company, okay, in the financial statement. Now, accountancy deals with both the theoretical and practical part, that is what we study and apply in accounting. It means in accountancy we have both the theoretical part in the form of principles, standards or we can say the rules and regulations which we have to follow while preparing the financial statement. Now, fourth point is it is the action that is based on the knowledge of accountancy. So, it means accountancy is an action or we can say it is the practical part which is based on the knowledge of accountancy. It means without studying the theory we cannot do the practical part. Okay. While accountancy is the field of knowledge that shows route to accounting. It means by gaining the knowledge of accounting or we can say the accountancy, we get the roadmap to accounting. So, without knowledge or without theoretical part, one cannot do the practical part. So, accountancy provides us the knowledge of accounting which ultimately gives us the roadmap to do the practical part or we can say the accounting part. Okay. Now, accounting has a narrow scope. It starts where the bookkeeping ends. So, accounting has a narrow scope because it includes only bookkeeping and it starts where the bookkeeping ends. While accountancy has a wider scope because it includes both accounting and bookkeeping. Okay. Now, next point is its main function is to ascertain the net results and the financial position of the business and to communicate them to interested parties. So, the main function of accounting is to prepare the financial result, that is trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet which shows the financial position of the business. Now this information is to be communicated to the various users of the accounting like the investors, lenders, creditors, okay, management, employees. So these users need the information for their own purpose. Next, accountancy includes the decision making function on the basis of information provided by bookkeeping and accounting, while accountancy makes decision function, okay, on the basis of the information which are provided by the both bookkeeping and accounting. It means with the use of bookkeeping and accounting information, one can make the decision of the business, okay. Now next, seventh point is, in accounting the primary tool is the financial statement, that is the trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statement. While in accountancy the tools are accounting principles, standards, rules, concept and conventions. Okay. Now in this circle you can see that accountancy is a wider term. So it is a whole big thing, and this includes both accounting and bookkeeping, okay, but accounting includes only the bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is the smaller part, accounting is the middle part, and accountancy is the bigger part, okay. So accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting, while accounting includes only bookkeeping, okay. So thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications.